Coming up on today's Panther Beat,
Kendall Schieppe takes a look at a very special holiday.
Your Panther Beat starts now. Hello, I'm Nevin.
And I'm Alex, and this is your Panther Beat for Tuesday, March 3rd.
Blizzard applications are due back tomorrow. Turn yours in to the main office at either campus. See Mrs. Buck in room 1004 at Smiley, or Mrs. Kirkenmeyer in the social work office at Milburn with any questions. Seniors, you should have received a yellow flyer in your advisory classes regarding a silent auction for graduation tickets. Bidding begins this Thursday. See a flyer for details.
Freshmen, be sure to check out the lost and found items in the cafeteria this week. Any unclaimed items will be donated on Friday. If you are missing an item that is not on the table, please see Mrs. Amon in the main office.
Our accounting team had a strong showing at the annual accounting competition at SIU Carbondale. OTHS had 6 scholarship awards and 3 winning teams. Sean Rodhamel earned first place in Accounting 1. Carl Brown, Jacob Naust, Jack Peterson, and Noah Reed all tied for second place in Accounting 1. Jay Strite earned third place in Accounting 1.
The following students earned team awards. We had 6 teams represent OTHS overall. In Accounting 1, the first place winners were Braden Hartman, Gabe Thomas, Jack Peterson, and Noah Reed. The second place winners were Brianna McMinn, Jackson Winkler, Jacob Naust, and Sean Rodhamel. In Accounting 2, the first place winners were Jacob Brown, Jada Boy, Neha Patel, and Rakia Blue. Congratulations to all of the OTHS accounting students.
Now let's pass it over to the sports desk.
In today's sporting event, senior Mary Orf is once again at the top of the victory podium. Year 1 after leading our girls bowling team to a state championship, Mary is the individual state girls bowling champion. Mary knocked out an average of 228 pins per game and won the championship by 167 pins. She rolled a 760 series in 3 games during the second day of the tournament. Mary has dominated the Southwestern Conference throughout the regular season, winning the high game, high series, and high average of the conference tournament. Mary plans to continue her bowling career at McKendree. In boys basketball news, our boys defeated Alton 54-53. Logan Lowry made the game-winning free throw. Our Panthers take on Alton again tonight in the first round of regionals at Edwardsville High School. Congrats to our girls basketball team for defeating longtime rival Edwardsville in sectionals. Their season ended at the sectional final in Pekin with a tough loss to Lincoln Way West. The girls had a fantastic season, making history with 28 wins and back-to-back regional titles. Another congrats to senior Kendall Schieppe for advancing to the state three-point shooting contest. Good luck, guys. Now over to the birthdays.
Guys. I'm Ariane with the birthdays. Birthdays for yesterday, March 2nd, go out to Nolan Burge, Ian Redichick, Donald Blue, and Jasmine Edwards. Birthdays for today, March 3rd, are Joshua McIntyre, Savannah Robinson, Faith Yergin, Mike Zamel, Alexandria Carroll, and Trishan Mishkin. And a special happy birthday goes out to Miss Barry and Mrs. Arms. That's all for me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. MLK Legacy Club meets today in room 402. Enjoy snacks and discuss upcoming events. Don't forget to bring t-shirt order forms. That's it for today, O'Fallon. Stay tuned for a special look at Casimir Pulaski Day.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to the Panther Beat YouTube channel.
Follow me. Hey, Emmett. Who is Casimir Pulaski?
I have no idea who that is.
Well, today is Casimir Pulaski Day, so.
Shout out to him. That's my man.
Okay. Okay, so today is a significant day. Do you know what it is?
Casimir Pulaski Day?
Yeah, okay. Sorry. Do you guys know who Casimir Pulaski is or the significance of him?
Like a Polish dude or something? I don't know.
Yes. Good stuff. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Hi. We have a question. Do you know what today is?
Today? It's March 1st.
Second?
Yeah. Do you know why we were supposed to be off school today?
Casimir Pulaski Day.
Yes. Do you know why that day's important?
Some Polish guy, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, he is Polish.
That's about it. Was it? I don't even know what war. Revolutionary?
Sure. Yeah. this. Yeah.
I know.
Hey, hey.
Hi. How you doing? Sorry to bother you. We just have a question. Sure. Do you know who Kazimierz Pulaski is?
He was I believe,
This is good. This is good. Yes.
good person.
Uh-huh.
And I don't remember why he is revered or recognized
Yeah.
for his services or something to the state of Illinois, obviously.
Right.
So that would be about it.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Coster, can you answer a question for us?
Possibly.
Do you know the significance of Kazimierz Pulaski?
I do.
You can't put that on there.
Well, then.
He saved George Washington's life.
There, take mine off.
Okay, go.
That's the one.
Go. Okay.
Not right there.
I have a question. Do you guys know what today is?
Monday.
Kazimierz Pulaski Day. That's right. Do you know what the significance of Kazimierz Pulaski Day is?
Isn't he like Irish? Polish. He's Polish.
Yeah. Anything else? Oh, wait. Sorry.
I don't know. He sailed the ocean blue and someday.
I think that was Christopher Columbus, but that's actually in May. But anyone else?
Anyone?
Kazimierz Pulaski?
Do you know who Kazimierz Pulaski is?
Wasn't he from Poland?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, good start.
That's all I know.
Thank you. All right.
That's good. Hey. So today is Kazimierz Pulaski Day, as we all know. We are in school.
Yeah.
So do you know what the significance of Kazimierz Pulaski is?
No.
Okay. Okay, so today is Kazimierz Pulaski Day. Do you know who that is and what the significance of him is?
I think he was a Polish general in some war. I don't remember.
Do you know what the significance of Kazimierz Pulaski Day is?
I believe he was a Revolutionary War general of some kind of leader, but I know nothing beyond that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Do you guys know who Kazimierz Pulaski is?
He was a Polish immigrant, and he helped George Washington.
Good stuff. Do you agree?
Yeah, I don't really know who that is, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Today is Kazimierz Pulaski Day.
Yeah.
Do you know who Kazimierz Pulaski is?
He did something in the war, right?
Your guess is as good as mine. Do you know the significance of Kazimierz Pulaski is?
Did he save people? I mean, if he's clearly in a war, so he saved people. I don't know. No.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi, what's your name?
Deanna.
Okay, I'm Claire. Do you know who Kazimierz Pulaski is?
Yeah, I mean, sure. He's Irish, ain't he?
Yeah, sure. I don't actually know who he is either, so thanks. Are we going? Are we?
We're rolling.
It's going.
Reporting for Panther Beat.